How windy is today?
Better than we have enough. There's so much wind, my man.
So much wind. You're feeling cold?
Yeah, I'm be cold. So
Yeah, you need to be tough, but you need to be smart also, like me. Alright! And he's setting up his product. That's it. 1 drop, 2 drop. And that's how we do work. And we keep going on. Fuck, it's cold! And it's 6 degrees Celsius right now. Fuck it. Our room is flying all the way this side. And the hose is also flying on this side, so it's unsafe. It's unsafe to do upstairs. But today's video was only for awareness. It's a tough game, bro. Cause we are tough. You know what I mean? Gang type shit. Let's get ready. What's up, gang? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I don't know you guys can hear it or no. I think my audio is not clear. But it may be clear also. I'm not sure. Yesterday's audio was too much terrible and it was not good. While recording it was not problem, but after recording and then when I checked the video was shit. I mean, video was not shit, the audio was shit. But anyway, I posted on the YouTube in my channel and you guys look at how bad it was. But anyway, the weather was shit yesterday because it was raining and then a bit windy. That's why all the wind covers my audio and then the video gets bad audio and you cannot hear my voice properly. So yeah, in the building, this building is in a waterfront and our work is mop and hose. I mean brush and hose is the same thing. So me and my friend is working here, 2 of us, John, Chijoke, and me myself, Dr Abseiler. Dr Abseiler. My nose is not feeling well. My nose is in bad condition. I got my runny nose, mostly because of this weather. Because weather over here, it's like so fucking terrible, bro. In this morning today, it was fucking sunny, and then it was fucking sunny and the sky was fucking clear. And just after an hour, when we landed on this job site, and the weather started turning like this, black. And I checked the weather, it says 90% rainy day today also. But fuck it, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do our work. My nose. So I checked the weather and it says 90% of rain today. But fuck it, we are tough Abseiler. We are Dr. Abseiler. So we're gonna do the work and you will see in the video. So today's plan is to set up the rope and do the work and keep going on. But I don't know how bad it will be, the weather, but our plan is to keep going on. If the weather turns shit, bro, we cannot challenge the weather. We're gonna give up and then we're gonna take a rest. But if it's a average weather, it's rainy, but if we think we can do a work, fuck it, we will do the work. You know what I mean? Gang type shit. So let me show you the view from the roof of this building. Let me show you the view. And it's a bit windy here right now, a little bit, not too much. Oh fuck! So this is the view. I don't know you guys can hear me or no, because it's a little bit windy. It's a little bit windy, but in the audio video it recorded a little bit higher volume of wind. So you know what I'm saying. Now time to set up the rope. Let's fucking do it. That's my guy setting up the rope, Mr. John. So much wind. You're feeling cold?
Yeah, I'm the cold. So terrible.
Terrible wind today. Bro, I just say it's a little bit wind, but this guy is saying terrible wind. Okay, but we're gonna work. We're gonna work.
Yeah.
We're gonna hit the drop. We are tough Abseiler. Yes. Yes, we are tough Abseiler. You know what I mean? Let's set up the rope now. Okay.
Send it,
I think it will get. It's too windy downside. Okay, done setup. This is the setup white hang. Forget about this maze. We're gonna set up this hose. We're gonna use this hose to clean this building. We're gonna set up after a few minutes. So we just set up the rib. This is my white hang, and there's my drum. I need to put my product over there, and that's his drum. John's Suzuki drum, and this is his white hang, and he's setting up his product. That's it. One drop, two drop. That's how we do work, and we keep going on. Fuck, it's cold, and it's 6 degrees Celsius right now. Fuck it, and we're freezing, but we don't care because we are tough Abseiler. Our rope is flying all the way this side, and the hose is also flying on this side, so it's unsafe. It's unsafe to do abseiling. So yeah, we can't do abseiling because today's wind power is like 75 kilometers per hour, so we can't abseil today. It's fucking windy. Better do stay in the safe side. You know what I mean? So look gang. Because of the wind, our rope is flying on that side. So it's a kind of awareness video today. We couldn't abseil because it's unsafe for us, so we didn't abseil on this side. Oh sorry, we are not abseiling on this side, we're abseiling on the other side because this side is too windy and our rope is flying on the other side. Look, still, and it's a strong wind over here, and my boy is pulling his rope up. And it's fucking pushing us. It's literally hitting our body, and it's pushing our body. You know what I mean? We just pull up his rope. We're gonna set up on the other side, and we're gonna work on the other side. But my battery is low, so I cannot record today. It's only so today's video will be only for awareness. So yeah, do do not challenge the weather and nature. Even I am a tough abseiler. Do not challenge the weather and nature. This wind is fucking strong. I don't know you guys can hear my voice or no, but do not challenge. Even we are a tough abseiler. You know what? The weather and the nature is more tougher than us. Because I have an experience that once when I challenge the weather or the nature, bruh, this nature is so powerful that I was stuck in the building and I was so scared. So do not challenge the nature and weather. Even you are tough abseiler. Even I am a tough abseiler also, but no. So that's it. Hope you guys like the video. I don't know. So that's it for today's video. This video is for awareness video. You know, don't be too hard. Don't be too dumbass. If there's a heavy wind, do not work. Do a smart work. You know what I mean? Be a smart, not always tough. Yeah, you need to be tough, but you need to be smart also, like me. Alright, that's it for today's video. See you in next video. Hopefully tomorrow my GoPro battery will be full, and then I hope tomorrow's weather will be perfect, sunshine. So I hope, you know, I hope tomorrow video will be a perfect working video. But today's video was only for awareness. Thank you. See you in next video.